Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time I have one case from VRS Design. They sent me out two different colors. This is the Glide Hybrid. They sent me out a green case and then also a black groove case. In this video, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge with this case on there? Is this a great wallet case for your S23 Ultra? I need to give a shout out to VRS Design for actually sending these cases out to me for review. I've used VRS Design cases before. I love them. They make some great wallet cases and great protection for your device. They sent me out a couple other versions which I will pick up and review in later videos. But let's get into it. Again, nice packaging from them. Let's start off with the black groove one, and then I can just show you the color of the green one here. All right, so here's the case itself. Man, it has a kickstand on there too, which is cool. I forgot this case comes with a kickstand, but look at the little wallet. Man, this is an all-in-one. So I won't even say if you're going out of town, just say out in the town. Just say you don't want to carry a wallet. You can put your ID and maybe a debit card or credit card in here and use this case like every single day. It does add some bulk to it. You can already see the bulkiness there. It has VRS Design logo there. I love the extra grip you get on these cases too, but it will add bulk because of the little slide mechanism here and also the kickstand. But I like the design of this. Let's see how it fits. Okay, nice and snug. So do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. I like how they have this piece covered up there. You're definitely going to have protection because this even protects it from touching your thing. So the only thing with this case, it does rock if you lay it down. You get lip action too. Look how much protection you get from the top and bottom. So again, my little test here. Yes, you get that protection you look for. The power button is nice and easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and tactile. No problems there either. I do like how that power button has a little line in there. The main thing too is the grip. I love the grip on the cases. It's all about the grip. So I definitely like the grip that it has. Everything lines up at the top, the microphone. Everything lines at the bottom too. It's easy to get your pen out. Maybe if you have fingernails, it would be easier. But they do come down a little bit right here, so not too hard. If you have fingernails, you would definitely have easier time. You do have enough room in here. And your speaker down there too. And then here's the card slot. So you just slide it and then slide it back. I like that. So you're going out of town. You know, if you're going to the bar or the club, you put your ID in here. A debit card, credit card. Do a credit card. Don't use your debit card at a bar. That way you're always not spending your own money. And bam, you just slide it and you go. The kickstand, like I said, is easy. It's nice and firm. I don't think... you can watch it like that or this way. You can also watch it like this. Now that kickstand is in there though. Overall fit, I mean, it is snug. It can't really... That is a snug fitting case. Even the sides are... Now it's a little loose there. But down here, I mean, it fits pretty good. You're not going to worry about that. You even have a lanyard that you can put a little lanyard there. I like this case. What y'all think about it? Can you wireless charge? I don't believe you can. But let's find out. Yeah, I cannot get it to wireless charge. Maybe you did, if you had a different charger, it might work. But this is the black one. Let's check out the green. So here is the groovy green color. Let's see how that one looks on my phone. Also, I say fit, let's check out. So it does take some work to get this case out of here. It's not the hardest, but it's also not one of the easiest cases, so that's a good thing. Which color do you like? The green? I'm pressing all kind of buttons. Do you like that green color? Looks like the army color. Or do you like the black one? Y'all let me know. I love the wallet cases that VRS Design makes. So this is the Glide Hybrid case. If you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, stay tuned for more cases from VRS Designs. I will have more cases coming from them in a video coming up. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. One more side profile. Look at that. Bam. Peace, y'all.